Yeah, good day everyone. Today we'll be talking about Fortran. We'll be giving a foundational or a very brief theoretical explanation of Fortran. So let's get started. What is Fortran? Well, Fortran is number one, a high level language. It stands for what we know as formula translation. It was created by a team led by John Backus in 1950s at IBM, and it's a language that is specialized for high performance computing. It's very extremely, not very, extremely efficient when it comes to number crunching. Yeah. So we have different versions of Fortran. We have the Fortran 77, we have the Fortran 90, we have the Fortran 95, we have the Fortran 2003, we have the Fortran 2008, we have the Fortran 2018. All these versions of Fortran, from the 77 to the 2018 one, had different levels of support for it or added support for it. For the Fortran 77, we were talking about structured programming and programming of character based data. For the Fortran 90, we're talking about the array programming, the modular programming, and generic programming. For Fortran 95, we're talking about high performance Fortran. For Fortran 2003, we're talking about object-oriented programming. For Fortran 2008 and 2018, we're talking about concurrent programming. We're talking about native parallel computing capabilities. Well, Fortran is a very old language, and the argument against Fortran is this language is very, very old. Why can't we switch what we're doing in Fortran to a newer language or more attractive language like C? Although C was also first created in 1970s on 72, 73, 74, I don't know, 1972. It was first created in 1972. So let's switch to a newer language, a more attractive language. Um, well, this was well put down in a vlog by Vortec. The vlog stated that many of the software systems we are using today, talking about the weather prediction system, the storage prediction system, and traffic monitoring systems, were all developed using Fortran. So switching to newer languages or a different language would be a total waste of time since the code that these systems were developed in were well structured and coded neatly. Fortran is a language that is specialized for high performance computing. It is extremely efficient. It is very good when it comes to mm, we're applying it to situations that involve numbers or mathematical calculations. For example, finance, statistics, or computing. It allows straightforward and simple expression of common number crunching tasks, and it makes it easy for a compiler to build an efficient program for such tasks. Thomas Kuhn, who works at NASA, said Fortran remains quite popular in a number of scientific and engineering communities and continues to serve a mission critical purpose or role in many NASA projects. So, I hope these few pointers I've given you will bolster your interest in learning Fortran, and um, let's get started. Yeah, I'll be leaving links to some resources below in the description below, so you do well to check it out.